Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can install and set up Metamask on Brave browser. So I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So then let's get started. First thing you need to do is head towards a Brave browser, and after that on the search box you need to type in brave/settings help, and I'll also make sure to leave the link on my description box below, and it will land you to the Chrome Web Store, and you need to search for the Metamask as shown below. And after that you'll have this kind of interface, and on this page you need to click on add to Chrome, which is in the bottom right corner of your screen. And as soon as you click on it, right in center a pop-up will appear, so you can go through it. You can either tap on cancel or you can simply tap on add extension. And now in order to set it up, you need to click on get started. Once you do that, next page you need to enter the recovery fees that are associated with their Metamask account, and once you provide the correct information, you've successfully installed as well as set up your Metamask on your Brave browser. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.